Question number 6. A college wants to give a training in use of Statistical Package for Social Sciences (SPSS) to researchers. For this, the college should organize option A conference, option B seminar, option C workshop, option D lecture. In order to answer this efficiently, you need to know what is conference, what is seminar, what is workshop, and what is lecture, and what is symposium, and their differences. So I categorized everything into 3, namely in size, in duration, and in focus. First, conference. In size, conferences are largest events, contains anywhere between 50 attendees to thousands of attendees. In focus, conferences usually involve number of speeches by different prominent speakers. It also involves different researchers to present their ideas and knowledge in attractive visual format to their audiences. In duration, conferences usually last between days to weeks. Now, seminar. In size, seminar contains a small group of people, anywhere between 5 to 10 attendees. In focus, seminar focuses on a specific topic where you can present your ideas or theories or researches, and you can expect some honest feedback and suggestions from a small set of specific audience. In duration, seminars mostly last anywhere between 2 hours or 2 days, but not more than that. Next, the workshop. In size, it is usually smaller than a conference. In focus, workshops are specifically dedicated to discuss on a specific topic. Outsiders and people from other departments and other fields can and will attend workshops. And workshops are more hands-on and specific action-oriented. Here, you can learn new skills and you can familiarize yourself on the topic that you don't know well. Alright, now symposium. In size, symposium is similar to conference but only smaller. Even the Oxford's Advanced Learner's Dictionary describes symposium as a small conference. In focus, there will be presentations, lectures, but less training sessions. In duration, typically one single day. So, by knowing all this, let's take an educated guess. In order to learn Statistical Package for Social Sciences, you need hands-on training. You need skills to learn and develop, specifically in using research software. Here is my clue. Specific, hands-on training, skills to learn. What would be the best method? Of course, workshop. Very good. I'm proud of you. In focus, it usually involves number of speeches by different prominent speakers. And conferences you also. In focus, seminar focuses on a specific topic where you can present your ideas or theories or researches, and you can expect some honest feedback and suggestion. In focus, the workshops are specifically dedicated to. In focus, seminar focuses on a specific topic where you can okay fine.